how I don't want silky straight hair. Like, my hair is not meant to be silky straight.
Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing a silk press at home, and like I said in the first clip, my hair is not meant to be silky straight. The days for pressing my hair to bone straight is over. The hair that I was born with is kinky, it's thick, and that's how I want it to stay. So in this video, I will be doing minimum pressing so that my hair can maintain texture, so that it can get thick. I do believe you can put as many oils in your hair as you want, but if you're not taking care of your scalp and using minimal heat, you will not be able to recover from just heat damage and also just the overall health of your hair. I think heat damage, along with just constant manipulation, our hair is just not built for that. And I don't think it's just black women's hair. I think no one's hair, because if you ever go and check on your favorite whomever, influencer, celebrity, none of them have hair. The ones that do have hair, you never really see their hair. And so they are not constantly manipulating their hair. They're not constantly styling their own hair. And if they are changing out hairstylists, they're paying top dollar for someone to take care of their hair underneath whatever hairstyle that they're using. And so the goal here is to take care of my hair and not over process my hair. So here I am pressing my hair. I am doing one passes, and then I'll do like a root pass, because I do have to, get those roots, because that's where my hair is the thickest, because that's where the new growth comes from. But I am not doing two passes. I'm not burning my hair to get it silky straight. I want to live in a world where my kinky, yucky hair is just beautiful as it is, and it doesn't need to match any hair. If anything, I'm going to buy the hair that matches my hair, not force my hair to match said hair that is not the texture of my own. And so if you're interested in seeing me do a full silk press on my hair, very minimum, stay tuned to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video.
If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you the flowers, the birds and the bees, and all of beside me. That'll be
I don't want silky straight hair. Like, my hair is not meant to be silky straight. And I think, though I love the fact that I feel pampered getting my hair washed, getting my hair pressed, somebody else doing all the work, finally, for once. But I've always got my hair washed and pressed. The girls that know, and get our hair done, either a perm. That was back in the days, way back in the days. But now we get, silk presses. But it's lovely to get someone else to do the work. When I say no one's gonna take care of your hair like you, and so what I've been noticing is that when I let other people do my hair, the results are there, but they're like, I'm not satisfied with them. I guess because the hair is so silky. And I mean, my hair is still somewhat silky now, but I can see way more texture because I'm not doing that many passes, and I don't want my hair to be bone straight. I just don't. I feel like it makes my hair finer and finer, and I'm losing texture. And the texture of my hair is what makes my hair thick. And the problem I'm having lately is that my hair is thinning, and it's only thinning because I'm losing that thickness because of all the heat and all of the silk presses and all of the, well, it's not all of them because I don't get them often. That's why it's just mind-boggling to me when I go to them and my hair gets so silky. I'm like, I don't have any hair. But right now I press my hair, I feel like I have a head full You know, I'm nowhere near done. Almost on this side. And it feels way fuller than when they did it. Of course, it's so thin. It's like the illusion of more hair because I'm not making it so, like, I'm not pressing it to be so fine, so silky. Just enough so it looks like black girl's hair. You know, I understand wanting to do hair and not have it to revert. But if it revert, baby, it's getting so down. I promise you, the minute it starts reverting and giving me a hard time, because I'm not putting this pressing comb back in my hair because, again, like I said, I have a hack. Like, I have a hack that I'm going to show you guys probably in this video or the next video. I could just tell you the hack. So I use a stocking cap. So I don't have to, you know, I have to show you what I do. But I use a stocking cap, any stocking cap. I like to buy fresh ones. This one I've been wearing. I need to wash this one and get a new one because it's probably oily. I get a stocking cap. I wrap my hair and I put that on. And when I tell you my hair never retracts, I don't know what it is. I think a scarf is just too, I do use a scarf on top of that. But I just think that is so like elastic and it's so tight. Not tight where it's causing tension, but tight where it won't, your hair is not moving under it. I'll explain it then once my hair is completely done.
If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you the flowers, the birds and the bees, and the love beside me. That'll be alright. If this world
Hey, Mama knew 7 days, drive it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies and front and back. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire.
He is not gonna have silky straight hair. Like, I don't care at this point. I'm trying to keep my hair thick. And I think the only way with this type of manipulation is you're just going to have to like realize you're not gonna have silky straight hair. Like, the weave's supposed to be straight, not your hair.
Hey, Mama knew 7 days, drive it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies and front and back. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a block, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world gon' be flowers grow. All day she only do what she know. Weekends get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up with me, I wouldn't give this nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you when you wanna see it.
this world
But it's enough hair.